This system allows you to register and save user profiles and link them to up to 4 intelligent keys. When the vehicle is turned on with an unregistered key, a message will be displayed showing the current profile. If this is incorrect, you can switch to a different user profile by touching Settings, Users, Switch User, then select the user you want. You can also edit a user or set up a new user profile. Follow the on-screen prompts when setting up a new user profile. Now, each time this intelligent key is used, your custom user profile will automatically be loaded. Memory positions will also be linked to your profile. While carrying an intelligent key that is registered to a user profile, place the driver's seat, steering column, and outside mirrors to the desired positions, then turn the ignition off. The next time you enter the vehicle and turn the ignition on, the system will automatically adjust to your last position. When the ignition is on and any positions are manually adjusted, the new position will be saved to the user profile already linked to that intelligent key when the ignition is turned off. If 2 intelligent keys are in the vehicle at the same time and the engine is started, the system will recall the profile of the last key used. The guest profile does not save positions. When exiting the vehicle while using the guest profile, the seat, steering, and mirror will move to the last used user profile. Positions stored using the memory switches on the driver door are not linked to the user profile memory. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.